So, dear student, in your previous lecture, we have studied the different types of analyzers and the use of analyzer is to measure the concentration of different pollutants which we have to measure so that we can reduce it to the acceptable norms given by the Bharat stage 6. Now today we'll we'll discuss about the uh, catalytic converter. We'll discuss about the catalytic converter. Initially, the catalytic converter we are using to convert harmful pollutants into harmless gases. Means there are different harmful pollutants are there that are very harmful to the air. They are polluting air as well as polluting water. So we have to convert that harmful into harmless pollutant. So normally we are using this catalytic converter, and we are this component we are placing in between the exhaust manifold and the silencers, or we can say the mufflers, and the different gases such as oxides of nitrogen, hydrocarbons, carbon monoxides, those which are present in the exhaust gases, and this all these gases we are creating in this catalytic converters, and we are trying to convert this those gases into carbon dioxide, water, and pure nitrogen, so which are not that much harmful to the environment. So in for doing that we are using some catalyst. We are using some catalysts such as rhodium. We can use platinum, palladium. So we are using some catalyst materials. So we are using the properties of this catalyst, and so that we can convert the harmful gases into harmless gases. So the rhodium, the catalyst we are using, the name that is the first one is the rhodium, and we this rhodium we are using to reduce the catalyst, for using this catalyst for converting oxides of nitrogen. So we know that the oxides are nitrogen are forming at the higher temperatures, when the temperatures are higher. So this nitrogen, because we know that nitrogen will not in the fuel, so this nitrogen will it will break, and it will combine with the oxygen, and there, due to that we'll use a um, uh, we have already discussed in our previous unit. We are using the easier for that one, and this rhodium we are using to convert this NOx present in the exhaust gases into the separate form of nitrogen and oxygen. At the same time, we are using the platinum and palladium. These are also acting as a catalyst, and we are converting with the help of this platinum and palladium. We are converting hydrocarbon. We are converting hydrocarbon into water, and at the same time, we are converting carbon dioxide. We are converting carbon dioxide in. We are converting carbon monoxide in carbon dioxide. So normally there are two types of catalytic converters are there: two-way catalytic converters and three-way catalytic converters. So in two-way catalytic converters we can reduce only carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon emissions by oxidation. So you can see in the diagram which is on the screen, that we are using the cylindrical unit. So here we are using the cylindrical unit like a silencer, and inside the cylindrical unit we are using the honeycomb structure. We are using the honeycomb structure. So this is the cylindrical unit, and here you are using the honeycomb structure, and these honeycomb structures are made up of metal coated with alumina or ceramic types, ceramic or metallic. So here the base metal is alumina, and on this aluminum base metal we are putting the first layer of either metal or ceramic. We are putting the first layer of either metal or ceramic, and after that we are putting the second layer of second coating of precious material like palladium or platinum. And we know that we are using platinum and palladium to reduce hydrocarbon and carbon monoxide. So in two-way catalytic converter we are reducing carbon monoxide as well as hydrocarbon. So this carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon, they are coming in contact with this honeycomb structure, and over the honeycomb structure second layer is of platinum and palladium. As they are coming, they are acting as a catalyst, and they are reacting with the carbon monoxide and converting it into we are converting carbon monoxide into carbon dioxide and water. At the same time hydrocarbon also will get reduced and will get the carbon dioxide and water. So in two-way catalytic converter we are using platinum and palladium as a catalyst, and with the help of that we are converting these two pollutant into safe or harmless gases like carbon dioxide and water. So this is the two-way catalytic converters. Now we can see this is the three-way catalytic converter. So in three-way catalytic converter we can reduce, along with carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, we can reduce again oxides of nitrogen also we can reduce it. So here we are using the two honeycomb structures, and in three-way catalytic converters we are using the catalysts like rhodium and platinum or palladium, which are coated on the aluminum base metal, the second layer of aluminum second layer. So here you can see there are two stages are there. This is the first stage and this is the second stage. So in first stage, as this here we are using in first stage we are using the rhodium as a catalyst. So rhodium, we know that rhodium will reduce the carbon dioxide or oxides of nitrogen into nitrogen and oxygen. So this rhodium, so NOx, oxides of, when the exhaust gases are coming in contact with the first stage honeycomb structure, so over the honeycomb structure there is a rhodium is the coated with the rhodium, and this rhodium is coming in contact with the exhaust gases, and oxides of nitrogen available in the exhaust gases, they will get converted from oxides of nitrogen into pure nitrogen and oxygen, and so thus we can reduce the oxides of nitrogen in the first stage. In another second stage we are again using the catalyst as a platinum and palladium. So here we are using the platinum as well as palladium, and they will convert the carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon into water and carbon dioxide. So likewise we can use the three-way catalytic converter, and we can reduce the harmful carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon and oxides of nitrogen into water, carbon dioxide, nitrogen and into oxygen form. So Okay, we can stop over here. So this is the 2 and 3-way catalytic converter you have seen. So we can take the selective catalytic reduction, CSR, in our next lecture. Thank you.